In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play MLB The Show 24 on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to purchase and play MLB The Show on your Nintendo Switch. MLB The Show 24 is fully available for the Switch. All that you have to do is visit the official website as I'm demonstrating in this video, or you can follow along by opening the eShop directly on your Nintendo Switch console. So open the eShop if you prefer, or go to the official website and using the search function look for MLB The Show. When you look for MLB The Show, you will see all of the results, and you will actually notice that the new release is also available. So if you want to, you can purchase MLB The Show 25 instead of an The Show 24. You will also see all the releases, MLB The Show 2013 and then 2022. So just choose the one that you prefer. Since this video is focused on 24, I'm going to select it here, but you can browse through the other options. All of them are going to be $59.99 off sale, and you will be able to purchase a digital copy through the eShop. So you can see the screenshots, you can see the videos, choose the proper edition, and then get the direct download. You also have the MVP edition and then Digital Deluxe. These will include some extra bonuses, so as you can see, this edition includes the full game, of course, then some stubs, Diamond Choice Pack, Equipment Pack, Show Packs, Double Daily Rewards, and Cover Athlete Pet Skin. So all that you have to do is choose one of these editions and purchase. You can download the game as long as you have enough storage, so make sure to double check how much storage is needed. It is going to be available for you to play offline, online, and you can do online play as long as you have Nintendo Switch Online. So make sure that you get a subscription if you are going to play online with your friends and so on. It has cross-platform play, and all of the editions are available for you to purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to play MLB The Show 24 on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.